Hi there, it's Reed from Blueberry Quilts, and Island Batik has sent me another box as an Island Batik Ambassador, and I want to share with you what I received. Yep, that's Bucky on my shirt. Isn't he cute? If you've never been to a Bucky's, you need to give it a try. It's crazy. So let me show you what I received from Island Batik today. Okay, first of all, we got to get rid of all this crinkly paper. Noise, and more noise. We have received the basics. There's black, white, and a darker gray. I love using these basics in a lot of my quilt patterns. Then we've also received stash busters. This looks like some real nice neutrals, what I would call low volume. And I've been wanting to make a low volume quilt, so I can see where this one might come in really handy. So these are 5-inch strips. They come in rolls, and they're real convenient with projects where like a 5-inch strip might come in handy. And here's another one. This one has like some oranges, and it looks like some purples and greens maybe. This looks similar to the table runner that I just made. And there's 2.8 yards of fabric in these rolls. And then I received one more of these stash busters, and this one appears to be some dark colors, which might go nicely with those light low volumes. And then the last thing in the box is a strip pack called Citron Breeze. Ooh, it looks like there's some nice lemons and limes and some greens and some blues in there. And then they also sent kind of a tannish light fabric and a dark blue back fabric. So that's what I received today. And if you'd like to see what I received before, look for my July unboxing video on YouTube. See you soon. Bye-bye.